Hi, it's Vishali Patel with Sanskar Teaching, the place where you can learn everything you ever wanted to learn about the Gujarati language and culture. Now, Gujarati is spoken differently in different parts of Gujarat. So the same sentence will be pronounced very differently in the northern part of state of Gujarat versus the southern part of state of Gujarat. When I was younger, I grew up in Bhavnagar, which is part of Saurashtra or Kathiyawadi, and their Gujarati is very sing-songy kind and it's beautiful. So every time I would come home to my grandparents' house, they'd be like, "What are you saying?" So even though they all speak Gujarati, sometimes it's hard to understand. We're going to take one sentence. For example, if you wanted to say, "Mummy" or "Mom, can you give me a glass of water?" How would you say it in different ways? "Mom, can you give me a glass of water?" "Ali ba, mane ek jam pani aale." That's very Gamadiyu, as people say, people from the villages would say that. "Ali ba, mane jam pani aale." Or they would say, "Oh Mari, mane ek pyalo pani dene." Or they would say, "Oh Mummy, mane ek glass pani apso." Or they would say, in Hindi, they would say, "Ma, mujhe pani do na." And if sometimes they even may say, "Oh ba, mune ek jam pani apo ne." And if they were total Mumbai, Mawali kind, they would say, "Oh ma, mere ko ek glass pani dena, warna teri vat laga dalunga." So these are different ways of saying the same thing. And if you want to learn more Gujarati, hop on over to learngujarationline.com.